My name is Latanya Lodge. I am the CEO and founder of the TresLife Hair and Body line. We specialize in helping women and girls to love and embrace their natural beauty using holistic products and ingredients that we make in-house in Raleigh, North Carolina, right here in the USA. All products are made with natural, holistic ingredients that help to actually nourish the hair, strengthen the hair, create shine, health, length, and strength, all naturally. Our brand stands for natural beauty, and that is such a broad term, but we really specialize in if it's not natural, meaning we don't flat iron hair, we don't cut hair, we don't color hair. We do everything holistically and natural. So literally, we're scraping aloe vera leaves, we're using coconut water, we're using apple cider, like natural ingredients, clays, steam treatment, honey treatments, coconut milk. So we have lots of clients, including myself, that I have not cut my hair in 5 years, but my hair continues to grow and thrive because we use actual natural ingredients. The goal is to help your hair. We're actually also helping your confidence. We have lots of people, including myself. I didn't realize it until I started my hair care line that we have insecurities because we don't meet what beauty standards look like according to others. But when you realize that you're beautiful and what you have is beautiful and you start to care for that, your confidence goes up and it makes you even look more beautiful. We are the solution to any of your hair issues. So we create regimens. And most times people are looking for one product to fix all, and it's not. We typically create a 5-step regimen. Like you'll have a detangler for step 1. Step 2 will be your shampooing and your conditioning. Step 3 will be the nourishment. Step 4 will be your styler. And then step 5 will be the refreshing. Because most times, even when you do your hair, you might have to refresh it by day 3, 4, or a week later. And so with TresLife, a lot of times people will come in and say, what product do you have for growth? What product do you have for this? And I'm like, we don't have a product, but we have a regimen system that we can create for you. So as you know, you were speaking about dryness and all of that, you need more than one product, but shampoo is not enough. Most men, they will shampoo their hair. They will say, I wash it. That's great, but now you need to add moisture back because you have to pH balance the hair. Most times shampoo brings the pH up and you need to bring it down with a moisturizer or a conditioning agent, which will bring it back to about 4.5 for your pH. And that's when the hair is softer, and that's when the hair is more manageable, and that's when the hair is not breaking. So that's important. Most of our products have a pH of 4.5, and that's why a lot of our clients notice their hair is getting softer, manageable, because we pH balance all of our products. I actually stopped keeping up with the trends. Like, I'm not on social a lot. I'm not trying to see what everyone else is doing because I know that what I'm doing, I prayed about and God has blessed me each step of the way. So I'm really being led by God in everything I do. But one of the things I do is I find myself, I'm a big researcher. So if I see there's something happening in the hair care industry where a lot of people are losing hair or people are thinning at a certain age, I do research and try to find out, well, why is this happening? Is it a vitamin deficiency? Is it because of COVID? Is it because of health issues? Is it hormonal? So I do a lot of research on the science behind hair versus keeping up with trends. Trends, they go out of style quickly and they don't nourish and help hair. So I'm more so like the scientist of the hair care industry, where I'm gonna research how can we perfect hair the scientific way. After my clients leave my chair, my main thing, and I try not to get emotional over this, my main thing is that I want them to leave loving themselves. Like, I really want them to leave feeling like I am enough. I want them to feel that I am beautiful. My natural beauty is enough. It gives me so much joy and pleasure when I see their confidence goes up. You know, because like I said, I'm breaking so many mindsets. I have so many people that come in my chair and their hair is beautiful, like gorgeous. I'm like, wow, your hair is so pretty. And I had one client stop me and say, you keep saying my hair is beautiful, but I don't feel that way. And I could not believe it. Her hair was amazing. So, you know, when I knew that she had that mindset, I had to break that mindset. And I didn't break it in the first appointment. You know, it's really hard the very first appointment to do that. But when I see them coming time and time again, and now they're leaving without a scarf, or they're leaving just feeling beautiful, that makes me happy. Like, that made it all worth it. You know, it's not so much them liking a style, but it's them loving them. Trusting God in this process and seeing how much He has blessed me. I'm like an anomaly, like I said, in the hair care industry. I don't cut hair, I don't flat iron hair, I don't color hair. I'm not gonna do these things, but I need you to help me in this process. Like, how am I going to help my clients have healthy hair? I'm telling you, every step of the way since I've trusted Him, I've seen nothing but my business grow. I've seen nothing but blessings. I've seen nothing but clients' hair growing. I've seen nothing but results. And that makes me so proud, just the fact that I was able to stand on His word and do things His way and see the results. And I continue to be blessed by it. TresLife, whatever you see now with TresLife, it's been in my mind for years. I have 5 more years for like this big plan I have for TresLife. So TresLife will be the location that everyone's gonna wanna come to. It's gonna be a destination spot. Everyone's gonna wanna come to, and they will be there probably all day because of all the various things we will have at our new location. We also will be franchised eventually. TresLife will be at your local city, state eventually. But you will get the same service, the same quality that you get at the headquarters location in Raleigh. You will get the same exact service. That's one of the things. We will stand by our brand. We'll stand by our promise to you. We'll stand by our ingredients and our products. TresLife will be that place that any and everyone that comes to it will say, wow, just wow.